Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Students, today we will discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of organic compound. You know, the organic compounds are hydrocarbon and their derivatives. So, first thing, what is full form of IUPAC? IUPAC, the full form of the IUPAC is International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. Basically, it is association of different chemists or scientists or professor related to chemistry. Actually, this association is responsible for making rules of nomenclature, and its head office is in Switzerland, Geneva. So, actually, in our 10th class, we are mainly dealing with hydrocarbons. Okay, so actually, we are concerned with the nomenclature of hydrocarbons, that is alkane, alkene and alkyne. Now, what is the format of nomenclature? If you see, what are the main points which are included in nomenclature? Suppose you see your name, so in your name there are two parts, name and surname. Okay, so in similar way, if we have any name of compound, so there are some parts of or components of what? That name. So when we add this component, we will get the complete name. So for IUPAC name, if you see, there are following parts. First one is prefix. Second is word root. Next, third is primary suffix, and then secondary suffix. Now try to understand what is meaning of prefix. Prefix is actually used for what? Substituent. Substituent, actually these are parts present in the what? Structure of the organic compound. And these parts are actually not included in parent chain or main chain. So you can see generally what we use some specific prefix for these groups. For CH3 we use methyl. The name of this CH3 group is methyl. For C2H5 we use what? Ethyl. ETHYL, ethyl. For Cl we use chloro. For F we use fluoro. For Br we use bromo, and for I we use iodo. Actually these are generally used in 10th class. Okay. Now next, second point is word root. Word root is actually main part of what? Nomenclature. Or you can say it is what? Included what? It is included in what? Parent chain. So parent chain consists of what? Word root. In parent chain, if you see, actually there are two parts, that is what? Word root and primary suffix. So how much carbons are present? It will be denoted by the word root. So if we have only one carbon atom in parent chain, so the word root is what? Meth. We use meth for one carbon atom. Then for 2 carbon it is eth. Then 3 carbon prop. Then 4 carbon bute. For 5 carbon pent. Then for 6 carbon hex. For 7 carbon hat. For 8 carbon oak. For 9 carbon non. And for 10 carbon we use dec. DEC dec. Okay. So up to 10 carbon, you have to learn this word root. Now next part is primary suffix. Primary suffix, actually it depends whether the given compound is alkane, alkene or alkyne. If the given compound is alkane, it means there are only CC single bonds. Then the primary suffix we use is what? N. ANE, N. So you can see primary suffix for alkane we use N, ANE. In this name you see ANE is there. Okay. In the what? Back side of word root. So it is called as what? Suffix. Then for alkene it is ENE, and for alkyne it is YNE. Okay. And last part is secondary suffix. Secondary suffix is only used in the case if the organic compound has any functional group. So if you see in your syllabus, so there are what? Mainly this functional group. So first one is what? COOH. That is called as carboxylic acid. And the suffix we use is what? That is, we use what? Oic acid. Okay. And second, suppose we have CO group. That is ketone group actually. So suffix is used what? ONE. On. And suppose we have COH group. So suffix AL is used. Okay. AL for COH. That is aldehyde group actually. And if we have OH, then suffix OL is used. So these are the 4 functional groups for which we can give the suffix. For COH, the suffix is oic acid, OIC, oic. For CO, that is on. For COH, that is L, and for OH, ol. Okay, so that was brief about the IUPAC nomenclature. Thank you.